This surah was revealed in Mecca and it consists of 8 verses. The surah is a warning to those who are occupied in this life with only with the love for this world and its pleasure. They devote much of their time to making more and more money and collecting more and more material possessions. The afterlife doesn't cross their minds at all. This attitude is very common today and it diminishes all human societies in our technical age. The term atakasur means striving greedily forwardly increase. Okay, read this sentence again. The atakasur means striving greedily for worldly increase. Worldly things are our basic needs. We can't deny the importance of our worldly things. We can't deny the importance of wealth, money, house, good car, clothes, garments, food. Yes, of course, these are our basic needs. But striving greedily for worldly increase is at-takasur. Understand? Do
Yes.
you understand? Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
It shows man's obsessive passion for more and more comforts. Okay, you have one house, but you need one more house in another city or in another country. We have, you have good joggers, but you need 2 more joggers, sets of joggers, because your friends have more joggers than you. They have more shoes than you. You have a good kit of sports, but you need more kits of the sports because you need to show off to your friends, I have more. This is competition. More and more material goods, more and more power, without overthinking about the hereafter. Okay, so what happens in this greed? We will not be able to remember our hereafter, which is also part of our life and which is very necessary. Okay.